Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Among Us error friend code fail. Here's how to fix the friend code fail error in Among Us. This error usually means the game is having trouble completing the login process with your account. First, try closing and restarting the game, as temporary glitches often resolve with a fresh launch. Next, ensure you're connected to a stable, strong internet connection, since poor connectivity can interrupt logins. Third, check that your game is updated to the latest version, as outdated versions can use errors. If you're on Android, make sure your device's OS is up to date, at least version 7.11, because older systems are more prone to compatibility issues. Finally, if none of the steps work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the game. This clean installation often fixes persistent login problems and gets your friend codes working properly. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.